Customized lengths can also be produced and are available on reels of up to 50 meters of continuous length. Knuffi can be installed quickly and conveniently. The self-adhesive profiles can be applied to almost any grease-free surface. Keep the surface free of dust and grime to ensure optimal adhesion. Use a knife to cut the profile to the desired length. Remove the protective film on the adhesive strip, position the profile, and press down firmly to securely fit the profile in place. It's as easy as that, and the profile stays in place.